My team and I are super excited because just in 2 days we will unleash the awesomeness and give you the opportunity to be one of the first to get your hands on one of the most awesome drum courses that will bring your drumming skills to the next level. Hi, I'm Michael. I'm excited. Are you excited too? Let us know how excited you are about your drum booster in the comments below. And tell your friends about your drum booster and make sure they know why you are so excited about your drum booster as well. In just 2 days, we will be opening up our crowdfunding campaign in order to finance the final stage of production of these online drum courses. With the extended courses, we will bring your drumming skills to the next level. How awesome is that? Keep an eye out and leave your email address at yourdrumbooster.com so we can tell you as one of the first at what exact time we are launching the campaign. That way you'll be able to get your hands on the limited amount of fantastic perks we got lined up for you. Now drop your email address.